this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make this sweep for the advanced sweep exercise. First, I'll Control Tab back to my blank document, and I want to start in the top plane. So I'm going to select top plane, create a sketch, use mouse gestures to create a circle, make my circle, use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension, click, place the dimension, enter 2 inches as the size. I'll right click, exit the sketch. We'll look at it isometrically. And then again, we're going to convert this to a helix. So it's going to be a constant pitch. I'll use the pitch and revolution method. The pitch is 1/8. I'll do 8 revolutions starting at 0 degrees clockwise and no taper. I'll accept that, and then I'll fit the geometry to my screen. Next, I want a plane that this point touches. So if I look, that's the right plane. So in my right plane, I'm going to create a sketch, and I'm going to look normal to it. Again, I'll use mouse gestures to activate circle, and near this point, but not at it, I'm going to create the circle. Use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension, and then I'll dimension this circle, 0.120, say OK. I'm going to push escape. I'm going to add 2 center lines. So I'm going to activate center lines. I'll just zoom in on this here. I want a center line here, move off, double click. Then I want a center line here, and I'll push escape. The last thing I want to do is I want to pierce this point. So I'm going to select it, hold Control, select my helix near the end but not at the end, release Control, and add the pierce relationship. The sketch is fully defined. I'll go back to the isometric view. I'll right click to exit the sketch. And this time I'm going to pre-select both the helix and the sketch and tell it to make a swept boss. It will recognize which feature is which. So I'll say OK. And I'm going to turn the visibility of the helix off. And there's our first part. And in the next video, we'll continue this part from there.